Buddy, so I promised you an R6 engine, but I got something better. It almost fits in my R6. Well, it fits perfectly, but it's for my very old project. It's a pocket bike, which I got from my friends at my 18th birthday. Yeah, so I finally got the $40 €40 engine, which was taking a long time to get here, about 1 month. So we have the old fuel tank, the old engine, to be honest. It weighs like nothing. A few carburetors because they cost €6. This is the exhaust, which is a little bit. It has a few minor adjustments, like for horsepower. We have new fairings, not new, but they're freshly painted 2 years ago. Wheels that might have not passed the alignment state. My young days of sticker bombing. We have Monster stickers because I like Monster. I drank a lot of Monster when I was young. So yeah, I don't know. We're gonna do a fast forwarding, or how's it called? I always forget. By the way, we have Martinez, who doesn't want to be on the camera, and Kipreski doesn't want to be on the camera. Everybody doesn't want to be on camera, so that's bullshit. Because they're fun and they're fun, but whatever. So we're gonna cut to the time lapse. Here we go. Finally, he's here. So yeah. Finishing the build. We'll see if it starts. Could you turn on the music for copyright? Thanks. By the way, that's Martinez. He has an R6. He bought an R6 this year.
That over there
with my fairings.
But your wheels and your
my wheels and everything, because it was Lobas, and I raced Lobas bike for the last race because my bike, as you know, blew up. So now we're gonna just bolt everything up back. We were laughing that if R6 builds were so easy like this, we would ride these, because fuck. How hard was it to put the engine in? From scale like 1 to 10?
-10. Actually.
We still have to do the wiring. It is the only wire in this whole build. One wire. It's kill switch. That's all. That's only one.
Yeah, it's a pretty easy build.
It's a fun build.
It's a fun build. Yeah, it took like 5 minutes to put in.
You know, there's like builds like a 1 day build. So
yeah,
it's
yeah,
a 1 day build.
No, it's 1 hour build. It's not 1 day build.
You can take 1 day on here.
Although it took you like what, 4 years to build? 4 years? Is it?
Almost 4.
Almost
yeah,
4
almost
years,
4
yeah.
years.
It's like 3 weeks left.
You know why? Because I always thought that I can like manage to. What the fuck does it not fit?
You thought that you can manage to do 5 things at the same time.
No, I thought
you can. You can.
That engine got a lot of brake cleaner and shit. I bought a new carburetor. I thought it was the carburetor.
Yeah, but you have spare parts now.
Like best of Chinesium?
Yeah. But you're like, the only thing you're good at is at blowing engines. This one doesn't work. R6's engine doesn't work.
I especially. For how long did I have this bike?
For 4 years.
No. I think I rode it, or no?
This one?
Yeah.
No, never.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
At the birthday, we started it.
No, you tried to start it, but
It had some life. Then I
had some
painted.
life.
You know what I remember?
yeah.
I painted this bike in my boiler room.
Did you?
Yeah. I had my house a boiler room as my painting booth. My parents were, as you would think, very excited about this fact. They were very happy. One issue with the new engine. Can you come here? New Chinesium engines have. This is an older bike, so they have new fittings. So we think that this is for spare for nitros. or turbo flutter sounds or something like that. So we have
It's
Monkey.
Actually, this wire is for the horn, so you can honk at bitches.
at bad bitches.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drill some few holes because I kind of masked them because it was all like
Drilled in every place.
yeah.
It was
You
like
can still see some like fiberglass work. My early days of fiberglass work. I think we're wait. Here is my fiberglass, like a T. You know, it's a lot stronger. There's patterns to that. Yeah, yeah. So we gotta. Oh, this is a little bit of fiber. It's a racing bike.
yeah.
The more fiberglass it has,
The faster it goes.
no, it has more downforce. It has downforce, you know.
I mean, you have a point, but
I think we have to
Yeah,
safety
we-
wire this.
yeah, we forgot to screw it in first. Yeah, we should do that first, I think. And remove the tank
Why?
because that's where you have to.
No.
fix that.
Hey, what? What the fuck?
It's like 10
Look.
seconds out.
Hold it up. Wait. Martinos was very angry at me. Just no wheelie.
Okay.
Martinos was angry that I used Phillips.
Yeah,
Screw-
because they're all messed up, but
No, I put
these
one
are
new.
Yeah, but
No, one new.
one new. Okay, so the other one is messed up.
This build is like the best of like cheapest builds ever.
I'm pretty sure Oscar's is here.
Yep. Now we have a fully working exhaust.
Yeah.
Which I think it'll, you know what it'll do?
Wait.
It'll burn down the
Wait,
hose.
wait, wait,
And it'll
wait.
get on, will get on fire.
I want to see.
Wait! We have to take in Oscar. So I'm gonna take him. Martinez is gonna continue that.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue putting on the fairings. As we can see, we have some sides and we can try to put them on and see how it goes. So it will be something like this. I'm pretty sure we need some stickers on here.
Super Bikers?
Yes, of course. What else?
It goes like this, man.
Oh,
Or like this. It goes like, this.
that? Oh
Yep.
my goodness.
But why?
So there's some space for the speedometer, right?
Yo, yeah. For
So you can see while you're going like.
imagine him on this bike,
Two
like
hands.
Oscar. Hello. So we have to.
Yeah, so we're gonna screw these.
And we're gonna put time lapse. I remember that word. Finally. Dum. So yeah, we're going to time lapse. So we're back. We put some JDM screws in here for added horsepower. We're putting my KTM fuel, pre-mixed, 4.5% of oil. I think it's full. Yep, it's
Like
heavy.
half a liter, so.
So let's put on. It's on. Let's get it up.
Give it a try. I can just start it here.
Nah, it's hard. Try it.
From the fifth time. Okay, so we lost the chain.
But it was fun.
And the chain tensioner is broken, I
No.
think. I think, yeah.
No.
No?
It's like new.
But it's bent.
It's best of China.
It's work fine.
It's very good.
Spin the wheel.
Back to the workshop. It works. So fun.
It's alive.
So guys, I've been editing this video and the whole mini bike series, and I've seen it. It's like it gets up to 30 minutes one video, so I'm gonna cut it. In the video, one thing, I'm looking somewhere else because we're talking. That's a mistake, but I'm gonna cut it to a few parts and make a few series about it. The other parts are more like more crazy. The first part is like more official, you know, we're getting to know, everybody's afraid of the camera and stuff like that. But after like the second episode will be bomb. It'll be bombing. It us being us at a level. I think I'm cutting out the parts which we cannot really show because it's like very dark humor and stuff like that. So